In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change email in Brevo. If you have recently updated your email address or you simply need messages to go to a different inbox, changing your profile email is a straightforward process. I will walk you through each part in order, and I will also explain why the final confirmation step matters. First, you will click on your profile icon or your name in the top right corner of the Brevo interface. This area is usually consistent across different screens, so you should not have to hunt around. Take a moment to locate that top right area and then click it. When you do this, a drop-down menu should appear, which contains options related to your account and profile settings. Next, in the drop-down menu, select My Profile. This step is important because it takes you directly to the page where your personal account details are managed. Once you click My Profile, you should see a profile section with fields and options related to your information. If the page loads a little slowly, just wait for the fields to fully appear before you continue. After that, click the Edit button in the Profile section. The Edit button is what turns the profile fields from read-only into editable. This helps prevent accidental changes. You may see the page shift slightly, and the email field should become available for typing. Take care here, because you will want to make sure you are editing the correct field for your email address. Now you will enter your new email address in the designated field. Look closely at the email field label or placeholder text so you know exactly where the new address should go. Type the new email address carefully, since email addresses are character-specific. After entering it, review it once more for accuracy before moving on, especially the spelling and the use of dots and symbols. Once you confirm the entry is correct, click Save. This saves your changes within Brevo, but it does not fully finalize the update yet. At this point, the system typically sends a verification message to your new inbox. So even though the email field is updated on screen, there is one more step you must complete to fully confirm the change. After saving, the next part is to check your new email inbox for a confirmation link from Brevo. This message is what verifies that you own the new email address. Make sure you check the inbox associated with the new address you just entered. If you do not see it right away, also check your spam or promotions folder, since automated messages can sometimes be filtered. When you find the Brevo confirmation email, open it and click the confirmation link. This final action finalizes the email change in your account. It confirms that the update is legitimate and allows Brevo to send notifications and important messages to the correct inbox going forward. Finally, once you have clicked the confirmation link, you can return to Brevo and continue using your account normally. You should now have your updated email address fully active, with the change fully verified through the confirmation process. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.